In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if PayPal account is verified or not. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your account to see your verification status and what to do if something shows as unconfirmed. Start by opening your browser, going to the official PayPal website and signing in. You should land on the account summary page, the one that shows your balance and recent activity. If you're not there, you can navigate to summary from the main menu. As a quick security reminder, make sure you see the padlock icon in your browser's address bar and that you're on the legitimate PayPal domain before entering any details. Next, head to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This is where your personal, security, and profile information is managed. If you're on the mobile app, the layout may look a bit different, but you're still looking for the Settings gear. Inside Settings, open the Account section. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Account or Profile, but it's the tab that contains your basic account information. This is where PayPal lists the contact details it uses to identify you and keep your account secure. Now look closely at your email addresses and phone numbers. Each one will have a status next to it, such as confirmed, verified, or unconfirmed. If any email is unconfirmed, select it and choose the option to confirm. PayPal will send a message to that address with a secure confirmation link. Open the message, click the link, and follow the prompts. When you return to the account page and refresh, the status should update to confirmed. If a phone number needs confirmation, you'll typically be prompted to enter a code sent by text. Type the code on the PayPal page to complete that confirmation. When all listed emails and phone numbers show as confirmed, your contact information verification is complete. This improves account security, helps ensure you receive important alerts, and makes it easier to recover access if you ever need to. A few quick tips as you go. Only click confirmation links from messages that clearly come from the official PayPal domain, and never share verification codes with anyone. If anything looks suspicious, don't use the link in the email, go directly to the PayPal website and confirm from your account settings instead. And if you have multiple emails on file, confirm the one you use most frequently so you don't miss important updates. That's it. You've checked your PayPal verification status and confirmed any unverified details right from settings under account. If the status doesn't update immediately, wait a moment, refresh the page, or sign out and back in to see the change.